Hi there, I'm Kelvin Kelley with Watson Mortgage. I wanted to talk to you about loan programs today. Something that is very near and dear to my heart is the VA mortgage. See, a VA mortgage is only eligible for a veteran or somebody that's currently active duty. And there are specific terms of service that they have to have completed in order to be eligible for a VA mortgage. But the way I feel about it is these particular individuals have put their life on the line in the service of our country to protect us. And I feel that not only is the VA mortgage one of the best mortgages out there, that these individuals have earned the right to use this mortgage. So one of the questions I ask in the pre-approval stage of every customer is if they have ever been in the military before. Because if they have, if they're VA eligible, I'm going to do my best to make sure that they get to take advantage of that benefit that they earn. Now see, VA mortgage is one of the best mortgages out there because it's 100% financing. There's no down payment required. The seller can contribute up to 4% of the purchase price towards down payment, closing cost, and prepaids. So it really puts the veteran in a position to where they don't have to invest a whole lot of money in order to make the transaction work. Sure, they have to put a binder down, have to pay for the appraisal and the credit report and a home inspection if they want it. But as far as the asset requirement, it's very low. Now, the other thing that's really good about a VA mortgage is the interest rate is extremely low in comparison to a conventional mortgage. Typically, you're going to see a VA mortgage running about 0.5% lower than a conventional mortgage. So that's another benefit to the veteran. There is a funding fee. There's no monthly mortgage insurance, but there is a funding fee that VA charges. It's 2.15% for first-time use. It's 3.3% for subsequent use. And if the veteran has any level of disability, which is typically 10% or greater, then the funding fee is waived in its entirety. Now, the funding fee is not something they have to pay out of pocket. It's not something that has to be paid at closing. It actually gets added to the loan amount. So it affects the payment very little. Usually with like an FHA mortgage, we may see an APR that's a full percent higher. Okay, like if the interest rate's 3.75, the APR would be 4.75 or more for FHA. But with VA, usually the APR is only about 1/4 to 0.5% higher because it's such a good deal for the veteran. So if you have somebody that you think may be eligible for a VA mortgage, I'd be more than happy to help them out or answer questions. My son was in the Army and is now in the National Guard, and I feel very strongly about making sure our veterans are taken care of. And I do tons of VA loans. Probably 25% of my total closed volume is VA. So whatever I can do to help your veterans, your buyers, your customers, I'll be more than happy to do. And obviously, you can feel free to ask me any questions about VA mortgages anytime. So just a reminder, I am Kelvin Kelley with Watson Mortgage, and I'll see you around.